Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we will explore Intel in detail. Our initial report was released on our website on Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to overlook any vital updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 13th of March, 2025, our system has ranked Intel as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.1%. This equates to an average return of 0.18% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 17% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of just under 1% to around 42%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about negative 39%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from a decrease of nearly 75% to a decrease of 34% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $6.01 and $15.71. Our latest daily update for Intel includes the headline. Intel stock price ended at $23.96 on Thursday, after losing 0.663%. The Intel stock price fell by 0.663% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, dropping from $24.12 to $23.96. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.44%, reaching a low of $23.73 and a high of $24.31. The price has been quite volatile during this period, yet there has been a gain of 15.47% over the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should ideally align with stock performance. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 64 million shares, with a total of 69 million shares exchanged for approximately $1.65 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $45.41, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the stock price stands at 47.24%, or $21.45 below the 52-week high, and 65.42%, or $45.33 below the all-time high recorded on the 24th of January, 2020, when the price reached $69.29. Intel Corporation has recently made headlines with the introduction of a groundbreaking Edge artificial intelligence solution suite, marking a significant effort to optimize artificial intelligence deployment across enterprise infrastructures. This advancement may enhance investor confidence in the company's innovative capabilities and potentially support the stock in the short term. However, Intel's stock is also facing challenges as the prospects of a consortium takeover of its foundry operations appear to be diminishing, following negative comments from NVIDIA's chief executive officer. This uncertainty could negatively affect investor sentiment and place downward pressure on the stock price. Furthermore, Intel's leadership change has led to a notable stock rally, with shares increasing by approximately 25% since the new chief executive officer's appointment. While this momentum may favor short-term gains, the company continues to grapple with declining revenues and asset efficiency, resulting in a cautious long-term outlook. Analysts have indicated a potential significant upside in Intel's valuation, suggesting that if restructuring efforts succeed, shareholder value could rise considerably. Despite recent stock fluctuations driven by competitive pressures from advanced micro devices, Intel still holds opportunities for long-term value, particularly through bond-like option trades that reflect strong fundamentals. As investors navigate these mixed signals, Intel's immediate future is characterized by important developments that could greatly influence stock performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Intel Corporation a neutral grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company also gave Intel Corporation a hold grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of December, 2024, it was reported that Bernstein rated Intel Corporation as market perform with a hold action. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Intel Corporation a sell grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush rated Intel Corporation as equal weight with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Intel stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Intel. The Intel stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $24.02. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $22.37. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have been noted that could impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 7.56%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy opportunity from 25 days ago. The short-term moving average reveals a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 5 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average presented a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 17 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. Intel finds support from accumulated volume at $23.70. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, characterized by high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is deemed high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.58 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 2.44%. In the previous week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 4.47%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could signal potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $170. Pay close attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $24.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $23.70. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by David Zinsner, who bought and sold 494,551 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 68.863. Overall, insiders purchased 2,508,151 shares and sold 456,868 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.53, reflecting a decrease of 5.98%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Intel stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of March, we anticipate Intel to open higher by 4 cents, starting at $24. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.